Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto Edge 20 Pro, and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and now let's tap on apps and notifications. Here we have to enter see all 44 apps, of course 44 in my case, option, and tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's enter reset up preferences, and here your device is informing you that it will reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default applications for actions, background data restrictions for apps, and any permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on reset apps. And actually, this is it. This is how to reset up preferences in your Motorola Moto Edge 20 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.